ready to unlock the full potential of your crypto and take control right from your computer. First, you'll need to install the Phantom Wallet browser extension. As it's your gateway to secure access, open your preferred browser Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge and search for Phantom Wallet extension in the browser web store. Click the Add to Browser button and confirm the installation. Once installed, look for the Phantom icon in your browser's toolbar. It usually resembles a small, colorful ghost. Click on it to open the Phantom Wallet interface. Since you already have a wallet, select the I already have a wallet option. This is crucial to restoring your existing funds and accessing your previously owned digital assets. Now, carefully enter your 12 or 24-word seed phrase in the exact order. This is your key to accessing your wallet. Keep it extremely safe and never share it with anyone. Double-check for typos before proceeding. Next, create a strong and unique password for your Phantom Wallet. It should be something difficult to guess, but easy for you to remember. Confirm your password in the following field. Congratulations! Your Phantom Wallet is now open and accessible on your computer. You can now manage your SOL, explore dApps, swap tokens, and even show off your cool NFTs, all from the comfort of your PC. Enjoy the freedom and control